In this video, we're looking at exponential equations and how to solve them. So there are a range of ways to solve them. One of the ways is change a base formula. I'm going to go through some examples today on how to solve exponential equations. So like with all equations, the goal is to get x equals something, and we're going to rearrange these using inverse operations until we get to that point. So the first thing we want to do is we're actually going to take the log of both sides. So if I start with 5x equals 7, what I'm going to do is take the log of both sides, so log and log. So what I end up with is log 5x equals log 7. Sorry, not x, it's to the power of x. Now if you remember your log laws, remember that x up here can be brought out the front. So that's what we're going to do. We end up with x log 5 equals log 7. We're then going to divide both sides by log 5. And we end up with x equaling log 7 over log 5. If you put that in the calculator, you end up with 1.2. Alright, so you take the log of both sides, use your log laws so the x can be out the front, and then divide by log 5. And what we're going to do here is a very similar thing, except this time instead of doing log, we're going to do ln, the natural log. So if I start with e 3.4x equals 100, we're going to take the natural log of both sides. So ln e 3.4x equals ln 100. Remember that 3.4x can come out the front. So we end up with 3.4x ln e equals ln 100. Now you may notice ln and e, remember, are opposites. So they can just cancel out and we don't have it anymore. So we're left with 3.4x equals ln 100. We're going to divide by a 3.4. We get x equals ln 100 over 3.4. Chuck that in your calculator and you end up with 1.35. Alright, so you're looking for all these log laws. Take the log of both sides and then rearrange it as per you would with any normal equation. Just do the inverse operations to both sides.